RPA stands for Robotic Process Automation, and it's exactly what it sounds like. It's taking robots to actually replace what a human being does. The difference is, unlike normal hardware robots in a car factory, these are software robots which replace parts of a person's mundane tasks they do every day. No, I think that's a really good question, and I think it's something I've thought about in the past. Is it just a fad? Is it going to go away? I think this is a truly transformative technology. I think what we're going to see over the next year and next 2 years are the boring parts of people's jobs being taken away and being replaced purely by software, allowing people to free their time up to do far more exciting things and add value to businesses. I think the time to be doing it is now. The technology has matured massively over the last 18 months. We're already seeing some companies adopting this technology quite rapidly, and those that are starting to take some competitive advantage. So in my view, this is the time to be doing it. The common pitfalls are often not really thinking about the scalability. So often what we see are businesses who buy a very cheap startup type solution for RPA, and don't think about how is this actually going to scale across my organisation. So it's very easy and cheap to start quickly, but can you actually make that work for you across the enterprise? So my view is that organisations should have an automation and a robotic strategy, of which RPA is one component, and look at how that fits in so they can then scale that out across their enterprise. The biggest benefits are the fact that you get repeatable processes done accurately. You can save lots of time. You get data entered accurately. People don't miskey. They don't type things in incorrectly. People don't get bored. And those people that have mundane jobs therefore have more exciting work to do, don't leave, and they can add innovation and value to your organisation. There are some downsides, obviously. There's a business change aspect here which needs to be looked at. If parts of people's jobs are going to be replaced and taken away by software, they may feel disenfranchised, they may feel threatened. And therefore it's important, as with any major change programme, the business change and the business involvement is thought about very early on. And getting people on board to help drive this change is the way to play this. Well, we've got lots of experience of working with customers both on RPA and on business change programs. So what we can do is bring our knowledge of the market in terms of what's happening in the market, what's the best software vendors to work with, which are the best packages, where are the best use cases you can use it in your organisations. We can help look at your process set and say where's the easiest place to start to get yourself off to a really good place to go with, but also look at that overall automation strategy. And also then we can help with that business change piece, because we're very, very experienced in managing very large business transformations, of which business engagement is absolutely key.